Okay, today I want to introduce our new Wi-Fi GPRS GSM alarm system U8. You can see this model is very nice and beautiful. The design is very simple. Okay, now let me check the back side. You can see here, this is for a SIM card, and this is battery switch. This is for power support. And also you can check here, this is white terminal for white sensor or white sirens. Okay, now I want to show how to save the system while application on my smartphone. Okay, first we need to switch on the battery. Okay, you can see LCD will appear number. This is UID of the system. Different panel has different UID, so it is very important for user to set system while application. Okay, now I open my application here and click Wi-Fi setting. Username can be added any number, any name is okay, no problem. Okay, for example, my name David, and the password should be the same as alarm system. The factory default password is 1111, and choose the Wi-Fi. Okay, and import the password of Wi-Fi. Okay, now you can see this is ID should be the same as the panel. Okay, usually we will put the QR code with the panel together so you can scan it directly. Okay, and confirm. Do you see that? And also you can hear D sound from panel. So my panel is restart, right? Okay, we can choose confirm. Choose confirm. And here you can see Wi-Fi mark appearing on the LCD display. So it means this panel is connected with Wi-Fi network. And also now user can go into the application to control the system. Of course, before you log in, you need to make sure your smartphone was connected Wi-Fi. So, and also you can edit your name or password. Password should be the same as the former one, 1111, right? And ID should be the same. Okay, now all information is correct. Log in. Okay, success. Now we can control arm, disarm, home on, right? And also we can click here. You can choose the language. For now, the system supports 3 languages. One is Chinese, second is English, the third one is Polish. And here we can set the call order number. We can set max 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also we can set 6 groups SMS alarm numbers here. And also we can set status of the system. For example, power on or off. the voltage of panel. Okay, this one will be removed. You can ignore it. Okay, this is used to set timely arm and disarm. The system provides 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and choose star or close. And here you can choose the week, Monday, Tuesday, anytime, and what time do you want for home arm? You can choose. And also, I think the biggest advantage for the U8 is here. User can change the row tab, row attribution here remotely. Actually, you can, for example, you can change row 5, and you can open or close. And also you can set the row tab. We provide 4 tabs: home arm tabs, away arm tabs, doorbell tabs, emergency tabs, and a name you can edit here, free. Any letters is okay, and also you can edit digit. Okay, delay arm. You can try to set any time, seconds. Delay alarm, the same. It's okay. And also please attention this alarm time. Alarm time in minutes. If you set alarm time to 0, it means the built-in siren will be closed. So the siren won't give off sound, will be in silence. Okay, now we can show step by step. Firstly, I want to add remote control and do sensor to U8. Input password. Choose accessories. Add remote control. Check 2 times. Success. And now I want to add my door sensors to 03. And input 3. It's okay. And check door sensor twice. Okay. Now, okay, because it is alarming now. Disarm first. Okay. I also can set data from my application. For example, I want to set this my numbers as the first call alarm numbers. Okay, we can confirm. You can hear it's a response. Okay, now we want to set my phone number as also SMS alarm numbers. Okay, and I want to set those 3 tab to home arm. Of course, we can open it. And the name we can edit bedroom, door. Delay arm, no need. I don't like. Delay alarm also we can set 10 is okay. And I don't need the siren, so we can choose 0. Confirm. Okay, now we go back to the panel and to check whether the information should be the same, right? We choose 3. You can see active. Siren should be 0, right? Okay, nothing. And the tab should be home arm, right? Home arm. And the name, bedroom door sensor. Bedroom door. And also you can switch here. So 111, okay. This arm, the same. Arm. Success. Home arm. Okay. Now we check the sensor. No sensor, right? Because we set the tab to home arm, so it won't give off alarm. If I away arm, the door sensor will give off alarm. And you can see here, bedroom door 111 and 10 seconds delay alarm. Because I set the siren time to 0, so there is no sound, but I got the alarm information here. Those 3 bedroom door 111 alarm. Okay, you can see GSM model is starting. It will make call and SMS coming here. Now I got SMS now. Okay, calling here. I refused. So you can check SMS message. It's the same. The contents I said before, right? Okay, now it's time to disarm. I go back to the application and disarm. Okay, disarm. Okay, thank you for your watching. We will make more videos for your reference. If you are interested in our audio with Stu 8, please contact us directly. Okay, thank you. Bye.